What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to draw the ASM chart for the given state diagram. Now here you can see we have 4 states: M0, M1, M2 and M3. So let's put them here. M0, M1, M2 and then M3. Now also we can see the reset is input for M0, so I put it right here, reset, or you can also connect it in this way, reset. Okay, now let's see what are the things that's going outside from M0. From M0, first we have to know whether this is a melee or more. To find out whether it's a melee or more, you will see if it's a melee, it's 0/0, 1/0, 1/1, something like that. But since we don't have the slash, it's a more. The difference between melee and more is melee has a conditional box when we have the output that is greater than 0. But for more, there's nothing like this. So we don't have to worry about this conditional box since we are dealing with the more. Now the next thing is, let's look at the output. Let's see what are the things that's going from M0. This 0, when the M0 is 0, it goes to M1, X, and here it's 0, this is 1. So when M0 is 0, it goes to M1. Then when M0 is 1, it goes to M0. Then when M1 is 0, it goes back to M1. It goes back to M1. When M1 is 1, it goes to M2. And after that we have when M2 is 0, it goes to M3. When M2 is 0, it goes to M3. When M2 is 0, it goes to M3. X, when it's 0, it goes to M3. When M3 is 1, it goes to M2. Actually, we are looking at M2. When M2 is 0, it goes to M3. When M2 is 1, it goes to M0. M2 is 1, it goes to M0. Then when M3 is 0, it goes to M1. It goes to M1. When M3 is 1, it goes to M2. And that's all about this state diagram. But usually you will see we can also represent this one differently. Like we had to show, if you want to show the output, you have to show it inside. So I put the M0, M1, M2, M3 outside because mostly it represented like this: M0 outside, M1, M2, M3. Then inside of the box we will write the output. Output is basically the numbers below these states. M0 in the below one, we can see that's 0. So Z is equal to 0 right here. For this one, Z is equal to 0. And M2, Z is equal to 0. M3, Z is equal to 1. And that's the ASM chart for the given state diagram. And that's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you're trying to learn Digital Logic Design 2 or Computer Architecture, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.